Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block incognito mode in Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and check that incognito mode is currently available. Now close Chrome and go back to your desktop. Right-click on the Start button and click Run. In the Run dialog box, type regedit and press Enter. If prompted, click Yes to allow Registry Editor to make changes. In the Registry Editor, expand HKey Local Machine on the left panel. Then expand Software. Scroll down and expand the Policies folder. Now right-click on Policies, select New, and then click Key. Name the new key Google and press Enter. Next, right-click on the Google key, select New, and then click Key again. Name this key Chrome and press Enter. Now right-click on the Chrome key, select New, and then choose DWORD 32-bit value. Name the new value Incognito Mode Availability and press Enter. After creating it, right-click on Incognito Mode Availability and select Modify. In the Value Data box, change the value from 0 to 1. Then click OK to save the changes. Now close the Registry Editor. Restart your computer to apply the changes. After your computer restarts, open Google Chrome again and check the menu. You'll see that incognito mode has been blocked. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.